Okay, so since I keep having angry vegans in my DMs, and since literally nobody else asked, I figured I would show you guys what the liver looks like raw. Yeah, pretty disgusting. But it's nature's multivitamin. Hee. So I'm about to fry these up. I'm gonna cut it into little pieces. You know, like I said, I eat the little pieces because you're not about to catch me eating a lot of liver at once. And I fry them in beef tallow at a very high heat for just like 30 seconds to a minute on each side, so that it's still kind of chewy on the inside, but like really cooked on the outside. Not really cooked, but like fried on the outside. Not that anybody asked. Literally no one asked. But I'm gonna show you guys anyways, because I know you guys think it's disgusting. I had multiple people, even the non-vegans, comment on my last story and be like, that's literally disgusting. And I know. Everyone around me thinks this is disgusting. But when you've been eating plant foods for 15 years, this is where the real vitamins are, y'all. You could already hear my dog, she's feral, for the liver, and I'm not even cooking it. She just knows. She knows what's good. And I just fed her literally a pound of raw beef, and she's still yelling at me. You already ate, cutie patootie. I don't think I'm gonna be giving you more liver. I mean, I'll give you a piece after I fry it. But you already ate, Missy. Don't look at me like that. Okay, so these are my little 1 ounce pieces. They're probably actually more than 1 ounce, maybe like 1 to 1.5 ounce pieces. And I only eat like 1 piece per day, or like every other day, or like just a few times a week. Not every day, but whenever I feel like I need a little. Yeah, it's not for you. I'm gonna fry these. Okay, y'all hear the beef tallow is sizzling, which means it's probably ready to cook. So let's see how we're gonna do this. We're just gonna take one little piece, stick it in. We'll do another little piece because there's a little space. Ah! Careful, y'all. You might want to turn it down a little bit. Oopsies. This is what it's gonna look like when it's cooking though. You can honestly keep putting pieces because, like I said, it's quite a high heat. And I just like to fill up the pan at maximum capacity. As you can see, it's all fried. I think this is the second one I put in there. Nice and fried. But it's not like so fried to where it's still chewy in the middle, you see? You don't want to over fry. Okay, I think that this liver is done. Yeah, you can see it's all cooked for the most part, but still gonna be chewy. There's my liver container. Liver pieces. I just like to keep these stored in the fridge and just eat them as a little supplement throughout the week. Sorry to gross everyone out, but if you guys care about your health, then you'll probably appreciate this, especially if you're an ex-vegetarian or vegan, or even if you're not, if you still eat meat and you just want to feel better and feel amazing. Get you some beef liver. It might not taste good, but it will make you feel amazing. It gives me so much energy. Like I'll literally eat 1 piece and I'll be bouncing off the walls. Okay, moment of truth. I'm going to have a piece. If Elsie could stop licking her bowl. I think I'm gonna go for the big piece, and honestly, it's not, like, it's more raw than how I'm used to it, so. Ooh, it's actually really bloody. Okay, guys. Mmm. Oh man. Oh my god. Oh man. I could have cooked that a little more. Okay. Okay, it's not that bad. It's not that bad. It's good. Yeah. It's really good. Yeah, maybe I should have gone for a smaller piece today. No, it's really good, guys. Okay. One bite in. I still have this entire piece to eat. Yeah. Okay, I should have cooked it more. I think it's gonna be better once it's cooled down. I might give Elsie the rest of this. Oh, okay. Jesus, take the wheel. Man. Okay, hopefully the bad part is over. Okay, we have about 2 bites left, roughly. Just take a breath and do it. It's fine. I'm gonna do the more disgusting part first. I should have cooked it more, yeah. Don't take my advice, just fry the shit out of it, honestly. Excuse me, Lord, for using a bad curse word. Yeah, it's one more bite. Well, I didn't have to give any of it to Elsie. I ate it all myself. Praise the Lord. That was honestly pretty awful. I'm not gonna lie. That was much harder than the last time I ate it in front of you guys. So I think I'm just gonna go lay down and pretend like that never happened. Because that was honestly offensive. So I'm sorry to the viewers at home, but I'm honestly not sorry. Get you some beef liver.